This is what a 26 million peso can buy you here in Uptown BGC. Let's go! This 65 square meter executive one-bedroom unit has smart features like a digital lock, video intercom, and smart switches. The kitchen comes with a high-end European appliances, self-close storage, retractable faucet, large sink, induction cooktop, and a retro fridge. It also includes a utility room with its own bathroom and space for a washer-dryer. Here's the main room, perfectly sized for a queen-size bed. It all starts with the upgraded closet, offering plenty of storage space. Set up your mini office by the large window where natural light pours in, and the view of Ninth Avenue or Uptown Bonifacio adds a nice touch. Plus, the aircon is already included to keep you cool and comfortable. The bathroom has white wood finished drawer, a bidet, a sleek lavatory, retractable shower, and a provision for hot and cold water, all by Villeroy and Bock. The living and dining area has high ceilings, an inverter aircon, and a natural light from floor to ceiling windows. Add some curtains and it feels like a hotel suite. Step onto the balcony for views of Ninth Avenue and Uptown Parade, just across from the JP Morgan building, perfect for nearby renters. This unit is available with rent-to-own promo, just 10% down payment to move in. We also have a pre-selling unit with no spot down payment, only 38,000 per month, payable over 6 years with no interest. For more details, just comment Uptown or contact me directly to schedule a viewing.